Hey guys, we saw swans.
Proof we go outside?
Whoa.
Here's a beautiful swan.
If you're ever out on this random road thing, we vandalized it. Your vlog. There's a tomato. Oh. Guys, my pants are falling. Should I fall?
No.
Okay. Oh shit.
Are you okay?
Guys, I'm slipping. Got you a pretty flower, Ollie.
Thank you.
What? Where?
And a deer.
In the same.
It just flew away. Do you guys see that deer?
This is what happens when we go out and touch grass.
Holy ticks.
Okay, guys. So much paint on my hand. Wait, take the paint from my hand. Bro, that does not look... Okay, I'll put my fingerprints over again so it like...
Put it like this?
That's so stupid. Sure.
Like that?
Yeah. Well, yours worked so much better. Yeah, you did not put enough paint on mine.
My bad.
Okay, guys, that's the final product. So if you ever like find this random place, maybe
Tag us.
Tag us, yeah. What's this bridge made out of?
Metal?
No, but like, look at the bottom.
Wait, am I gonna hit my head? How do you get over there?
I don't know. I just walked on the rock.
Are they sturdy?
Kinda. It's such a fire spot. Guys, check out the fun clips.
Hottie.
Okay, I'm gonna do a. So, guys, I'm actually for some more Oli lore dropping, Oli tutorials. Anyways, I'm actually a professional tap dancer, so this is a little jig.
Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Crisscross. Crisscross. Cha-cha real smooth. Turn around.
Let me get my phone in my pocket. So, that's basically it. So let's break that down. You're gonna want to put your arms up, and then just like throw yourself. Was that a good one? Yeah. I already took my gun. To avoid the ticks. Oh, my friendship necklace.
I didn't wear mine.
Found a snail. Live footage of the snail.